Hi, welcome to Homebase HR Pro. To help you get started and make the most out of your new HR resources, try out these 3 things. First, complete the HR fitness test. I promise it's quick. Simply answer a few questions and we can help identify HR gaps or risks you might have, and more importantly, help you address them. Second, talk to an HR professional. You now have unlimited access to certified HR professionals who can give you advice on all things HR. Things like how to handle terminations, FMLA, paid sick leave, and anything else that might come up. Just pick up the phone and give them a call to get your questions answered. Finally, get your existing handbook reviewed to make sure that everything is up to date and compliant. Don't have a handbook, not current, or missing some policies? Your HR professional will talk with you, understand your needs, and get the documents created. That's all. You now have access to live help from HR professionals and hundreds of ready-to-go templates, training videos, and resources. Don't navigate the world of HR alone. Homebase HR Pro is here for you.